You wake up one morning. The room is quiet. Soft light moves gently across the ceiling. You stay still for a moment, breathing slowly, feeling your body before you move it. There was a time when mornings were automatic. You would stand without thinking. Now you pause. You flex your toes under the blanket. They respond, but slowly. Not pain, just stiffness. You slide your feet toward the edge of the bed. Your heels touch the floor. Cool. You sit upright, hands resting on your thighs, waiting for balance to settle. Then you lean forward, press through your legs, and stand. There is a slight shift in your weight. A small adjustment. You wait. Then you begin walking. Steady. Intentional. There is a heaviness in your lower legs. A fullness around the ankles. Later that morning, you look down. Your socks have left deeper marks than before. By afternoon, your legs feel tired. Even though the day has been calm, you sit. You rub your calves gently. They feel firm. A little tight. You tell yourself, this is aging. After 70, things slow down. That is what people say. But aging is not the only reason. The body adapts to repetition. For decades, you repeated movement. Walking, standing, climbing, shifting your weight constantly. Your lower legs were active all day, without you realizing it. Every step activated your calves. Every rise onto your toes. Those muscles squeezed the veins, helping blood return upward, back toward your heart. Against gravity. Gravity never stops pulling down. Returning blood from the feet requires assistance. And that assistance comes from movement. When life becomes quieter, when sitting becomes longer, the calf muscles work less often. Not because they are damaged, but because they are not needed as much. Muscles that are not used gradually weaken. When they weaken, the natural pumping action slows. Blood moves more slowly. Fluid lingers around the ankles. Feet feel colder at night. Shoes feel tighter by evening. It happens gradually, so gradually that it feels normal. But much of it is related to use, and use can be restored. Even now, even after 70, the body still responds, not to extremes, but to consistency. Small repeated signals. Imagine standing in your kitchen, waiting for water to boil. Instead of leaning into the counter, you rise gently onto your toes. Just once. You pause, then lower slowly. You feel warmth in your calves. You do it again. Slow lift. Pause. Slow lower. Simple, but effective. You are reminding your muscles of their purpose. Tomorrow morning, stand behind a sturdy chair. Place your hands lightly on the backrest. Feet hip-width apart. Shoulders relaxed. Take a slow breath. Then gently lift your heels. Rise onto the balls of your feet. Not fast. Not forced. Just steady movement. Pause at the top. 1, 2. Feel the calves tighten. Then lower slowly. Control the descent. That is 1 repetition. Lift again. Pause. Lower. Again. Slowly. With awareness. Begin with 10 repetitions. Rest briefly. Then complete 10 more. Morning and evening. If standing feels unstable, sit in a firm chair. Feet flat. Lift your heels. Pause. Lower slowly. Repeat 20 times. No rushing. No strain. If you feel sharp pain, stop. If you have serious circulation conditions, consult your healthcare professional first. This is not about pushing limits. It is about protecting function. Your legs carried you through decades of life. Through work. Through responsibility. Through family. They supported your independence. And independence matters. Mobility allows choice. Choice allows freedom. Freedom allows dignity. 2 minutes in the morning. 2 minutes in the evening. Small effort. Repeated daily. The body adapts to what it repeats. Repeat sitting. It adapts to sitting. Repeat movement. It adapts to movement. 1 week passes. You notice standing feels easier. Your ankles feel lighter. 2 weeks pass. Your balance feels steadier. Not dramatic, but noticeable. Strength after 70 is quiet. It builds slowly, with repetition, with patience, with respect for your body. Tomorrow morning, stand behind that chair. Lift slowly. Pause. Lower. 10 times. Then again in the evening. Calmly. Steadily. Day after day. Because sometimes, the simplest movement protects the most important parts of your life. Consistency is quiet. It does not announce itself. It simply repeats. Morning. Evening. You stand behind the chair again. Hands resting lightly. Feet steady. You lift your heels. Pause. Lower slowly. The movement feels more familiar now. Your balance shifts less. Your calves respond sooner. That is adaptation. Not dramatic, but real. After several days, standing from a chair feels smoother. You lean forward less. You push off less. Your legs engage naturally. That small change matters. Because standing up is independence. Walking across a room is confidence. Confidence changes posture. Posture improves balance. Balance reduces fear. When fear decreases, movement increases. Now you add one more layer. While standing in the kitchen, you shift weight slowly. Left. Pause. Right. Pause. Your ankles adjust. Your feet become more awake. You are training stability, without calling it training. Another day, you hold the chair. Lift one heel slightly. Lower. Switch sides. Small stabilizing muscles wake up. They have been quiet. Now they are invited back. You begin walking with awareness. Heel touches first. Roll through the foot. Push gently from the toes. Each step intentional. Not rushed. Controlled. Movement is not about speed. It is about coordination. Coordination improves efficiency. Efficiency reduces fatigue. The heaviness you once felt begins to fade. Your ankles look less swollen at night. Your shoes feel easier. Your legs feel warmer. Warmth is circulation. Circulation is life moving. You trust your legs more. That trust changes how you move. Maybe you walk to the mailbox. Maybe down the block. Not far. Just enough. You return without the same tightness. Because now your calves participate. If you miss a day, nothing is lost. You return the next. Consistency is not perfection. It is repetition. If 10 repetitions feel easy, you move to 12, then 15. Slowly, always controlled. If seated raises feel simple, you hold at the top longer. Time builds strength gently. You stretch lightly afterward. One foot back. Heel grounded. Soft lean forward. No forcing. Just lengthening. Muscles that contract must also release. Balance in both directions. If sharp pain appears, you stop. If swelling is sudden, you seek guidance. Wisdom is strength too. Weeks pass. Your posture changes. You stand taller. Not by effort, but by support. You move through your home with flow. Less hesitation. More steadiness. You realize something. Aging is not the enemy. Neglect is. And neglect can be reversed. With small acts. Repeated daily. 2 minutes in the morning. 2 minutes in the evening. That is where it began. Simple calf raises. Slow lifts. Controlled lowers. A pause at the top. Breathing steady. Attention focused. You did not chase intensity. You chose consistency. And consistency answered. Quietly. Reliably. Tomorrow morning, you will stand behind that chair again. Not from fear, but from intention. You lift slowly. Pause. Lower. 10 times. In that small movement, you choose strength. You choose circulation. You choose steadiness. The most powerful changes often look simple, repetitive, almost too small to matter. But they matter because they protect your ability to stand, to walk, to move freely in your own home, to rely on yourself. That is not small. That is everything. Continue calmly. Continue steadily. Day after day. Let your legs remember. Support. Carry. Adapt. Strength after 70 is quiet. Consistency is power. Subscribe to VitaSignal 60 and keep building strength. One steady step at a time.